Someone asked how I make my shallot oil, so today I'm finally showing you. This tiny jar is why my noodles taste so comforting, just like how I grew up eating it. Let me show you. Let's prep the red shallots. Peel and slice them as thin as your last shred of willpower on a Monday. And ideally, pat them dry, but I was lazy so I didn't. Now, into a cold pan, add a bit of oil and the sliced shallots. Then, pour in the rest of the oil. We are aiming for about 200 milliliters total. Use medium-low heat and take your time. This is not a high-speed chase. Stir occasionally to keep things evenly golden. This slow frying process takes about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on your pan and the universe's mood. I added a pinch of sugar and salt midway through the frying. Not necessary, but it brings out a deeper aroma. Optional, but totally worth it. Once the shallots turn light golden with slightly browned edges, turn off the heat immediately. The residual heat will take them a shade darker. Don't wait too long, or you'll get bitter burnt oil. We want golden and fragrant, not thinner for flavor. Let's move it to a bowl and let it chill for a bit. We'll turn it into sauce magic in just a second. Now, we've got fresh shallot oil. Let's turn it into a simple shallot oil noodle dish. I'm using instant noodles because this is my lazy lo mein. But chow mein noodles, egg noodles, whatever's in your pantry works. First, bring some water to boil. Reuse the same pan, 0 waste, maximum flavor. Meanwhile, in a bowl, add that fresh red shallot oil and some shallots, soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and a little sugar. Give it a quick mix. Here's our why does this taste so good sauce. This fragrant shallot oil is liquid gold. Perfect for lo mein, fried rice, veggies, or just casually sipping like tea. Kidding? Unless you can keep the crispy shallot bits in the oil if you are using it within a week. Store it in the fridge. But if you are saving it long term, better strain them out. Shallot bits love going rancid faster than expired milk. Once the water is boiling, drop in your noodles and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Once they are done, drain them and toss with the sauce, like you are folding a love letter. Top with green onions and sesame seeds to make it look fancy. Just for Instagram. You know the drill. So, that's it. Cozy cheap shallot oil noodles. How I eat on lazy days. Simple food, good oil, no pressure. Red shallot oil adds sweetness and depth with almost no effort. And once you have a jar, everything tastes better. If you enjoyed this, subscribe for more comfort food like this. And click here to watch my chicken chow mein next. And I will see you next week. Bye!